Think cloud computing is not secure? Too expensive? Only for large companies? These are some of the biggest myths still circulating today. In this video, let's separate fact from fiction and uncover the truth behind cloud computing. Myth 1. Cloud computing is not secure. This is one of the most common cloud myths. Many people assume storing data outside their organization automatically makes it less secure. In reality, leading cloud providers invest heavily in cybersecurity, encryption, monitoring, compliance, and threat detection. Cloud environments often provide security capabilities that many organizations would struggle to implement on their own. Security remains a shared responsibility, but cloud platforms can offer very strong protection when managed correctly. Myth 2. The cloud is always more expensive. Some organizations assume moving to the cloud automatically increases costs. The truth is that cloud costs depend on how services are designed, managed, and used. Cloud platforms allow businesses to pay only for the resources they consume, helping reduce unnecessary infrastructure expenses. Poor planning can increase costs, but effective cloud management often improves cost efficiency. Myth 3. Cloud computing is only for large organizations. Many small and medium-sized businesses believe cloud services are designed exclusively for large enterprises. In reality, cloud computing is highly scalable and can support organizations of all sizes. Small businesses often benefit from lower upfront costs, flexible resources, and access to advanced technologies that would otherwise be difficult to afford. Myth 4. Moving to the cloud means losing control. Some organizations worry that cloud adoption means giving complete control of their systems and data to a provider. However, businesses still control their applications, configurations, access permissions, and data management policies. Cloud providers manage the underlying infrastructure, while organizations maintain control over how their resources are used. Myth 5. Cloud migration happens overnight. Many people assume cloud migration is a simple one-time event. In reality, cloud adoption is often a phased journey that involves planning, testing, migration, optimization, and ongoing management. Successful cloud transformations usually happen gradually rather than all at once. How to evaluate cloud decisions effectively? Instead of relying on common myths, organizations should evaluate cloud computing based on business requirements, security needs, cost considerations, compliance obligations, scalability requirements, long-term strategic goals. Making decisions based on facts rather than assumptions leads to better outcomes. Cloud computing has transformed the way organizations store data, deliver services, and scale operations. But misconceptions can create unnecessary barriers to innovation and growth. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on cloud computing, cybersecurity, and digital transformation.